12 minutes and dives into depths for 180 meters. Hey. Okay, you guys just hold on. Hey, Dr. Raven.
Nadia, you just make Pedro very upset with you.
What did I do?
You say you forget to mention something very important about him.
What? Oh, okay, you guys. I'm so sorry. I forgot to mention this. Well, sea lions, especially Pedro right here, is highly intelligent and good looking. Alright, Pedro, let's show them how powerful those two flippers are with flippers. That's right, everybody. That's 200 kilograms on those two strong flippers. Well, there's also another animal that is just like a sea lion, and they are called true seals. Well, true seals look funny on land. So right now, Pedro here is going to show you how they look and how they move. A very good imitation, Pedro. Well, sea lions have special hind flippers, which allows them to move on land. So we have a spin, spin, spin. We have a little bit of a dance, left, right, left, right. What else, Pedro? And roll over. And again. Very adorable, Pedro. Good job. Okay, so you can see how well he moves on land. Do you guys want to see how fast Pedro can swim? No? You guys want to see how fast Pedro can swim? Okay, Pedro, let's show them how fast you can swim. The water is thick, Pedro. Is he angry?
No.
Oh no.
He just say he don't want to swim.
But he's a sea lion.
Yeah, he saw something big and scary in the pool.
In the pool? Huh, okay. For safety reasons, Pedro, you and Raven take a look at this side. I will take a look on the other side, okay? Let's go. Nothing here, nothing there. Okay, Pedro, let's show you how fast you can swim. A shark. Pedro, if there was a shark in your dinner by now, let's set out the speed. That's right, that's 40 kilometers per hour, as fast as a moving car. Now forgetting his belly stop. Very cute, Pedro. Okay, focus your attention to Raven right over there. What he's holding with him is called a ball target. And all Pedro has to do is touch that ball target. He's ready and up. Watch out, you guys. We're off for some bonuses right now. Okay, so right now I will need the help of my young volunteer. The young volunteer, hi, what's your name? Rucha. Rucha, where are you from? From India? Okay, Rucha, I want you to take out your watch, please. Okay, and I want you to follow me, okay? Come, follow me. We'll go right here. Rucha, what I want you to do, I want you to just drop your watch. And now we say bye-bye watch. No, you don't want? Okay, so right now we will need the help of Pedro to get back the watch, okay? But if he doesn't, after the show you have to get it back yourself. Can you swim? Can, okay. Let's ask Pedro. Pedro, can you help us? Okay, come on. Let's move a little bit to the back. Let's see together, okay? Okay, he's finding. Oh, I see it. Wow, Pedro. because this is what we call the corkscrew behavior. Notice how wide open Pedro's eyes are. Well, sea lions have a special membrane that creates a layer to their eyes, which enables them to see underwater. So we have seen how well he moves on land, how fast he can swim, and how well he can easily find and watch. Right now, we're going to test his intelligence and self-control. So Raven here has placed Pedro right on the ground. And what he's going to do is that he's going to place a piece of fish right in front of Pedro. But everybody knows that sea lions, they really love their fish. But he will not touch it until he hears a cue from his trainer, and that is a single clap. If you guys not believe me, you guys can try a single clap and see if you guys can distract him. Alright guys, just one clap. This one. Okay, you know what? Let's do this together. On the count of 3, we clap one time, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. A bit fast, a bit slow. Okay, let's do this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wow, Pedro. Okay, we do a few more. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very tricky. One last one. I want to see all your hands in the air. Do one last one, okay? We're going to clap at the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow. Okay, guys, give yourself a round of applause. Because you guys are so easy to train. I'm just kidding. Over to you, Ray. Right, this is what we call intelligence and self-control. Well, Pedro here knows that if he listens to the cue from his trainer, he will get so much more for a job well done. Coming right up is one of my favorite segments. We're gonna watch how well he balances his ball. Well, sea lions have flexible necks. And of course, with the help of their whiskers, it keeps things upload on their snout. He's not done showing on this yet, everybody. We're gonna end it off with the signature move. We have a flipper step. Good job, buddy. Alright, let's take a little detour with all the fun and games, because right now, we're gonna talk about the ocean's deadliest monsters. Alright, please do not use any flash, okay? Alright, now I'm not talking about sharks, I'm not talking about killer whales, I'm talking about plastic. Every year, tens and thousands of animals die because of plastic waste found in the ocean. Animals such as sea lions, sea turtles, and even dolphins mistaking them as food. They eat on it, they choke on them, and they die. Well, fishing lines and fishing nets can cause great dangers to animals. So what happens when a fishing line gets entangled onto their bodies, Pedro? That's right, in result, it happens to be a broken flipper. Well, fishing nets, when they entangle around the necks, every time they struggle, it gets even more tighter. What happens? Pedro, let's try this again. It's okay. Alright, Pedro, let's show them what happens. That's right. Lean up. And up. There we go. So right now, Pedro here has some fun ideas for us to fight the ocean's deadliest monsters. Well, for instance, for those of you guys who love going for grocery shopping, it's instead of using plastic bags, why not switch it over to bags such as this? It's got a canvas and it is strong. Well, the zoo highly encourage us to bring our own refillable water bottles, which is why all around our parks we do have water coolers and water stations for you guys to refill them. Remember you guys, a little goes a very, very long way. Well, not to worry for those of you guys who do not have any one of these items. All of our retail stores sells them with many different kinds of design. So we have learned how to reduce our items, reuse our items. Right now we're going to learn how to recycle. And with that, I will need the help of one young volunteer to help me out. You want to help me? Okay, come. So we have one young one right here. Hello. Slowly, slowly. Hi, what's your name? Jehan, where are you from? From India. Jehan, do you know how to recycle? Do you know how to recycle? No? You don't know? Okay. Right now I have two items for you to help me put it in the bins, okay? And then later on we'll guide you. Is that okay? Alright, we have to follow me. Alright, we're gonna start with this item. Where do you think it goes to? You can pick anyone, you can just put it in. Okay. How about this one? Where does it go to? Okay, Pedro, is that correct? Alright, right now. And for volunteering, you got your own canvas bag for all of us, okay? Here you go. Alright, thank you. How about a big round of applause for a very young volunteer right here? We have to get back to your seats. Alright? So we have learned how to recycle metal and paper. Right now, Pedro is going to help us recycle plastic. Indeed, by picking them up and going to the nearest recycling center and we bin it. Remember you guys, reuse, reuse, and of course recycle. Good job, Pedro. Well, this is not the end of the show just yet because right now we're going to put a stream my body to test in and out of the waters, and this is what we call harvesting. This is what we call a backflip. So for those of you guys who like your pictures taken with the sea lion, kindly join the queue right over here.
penguin. How are you? Are you sad and lonely? Because you're alone in there. Oh.
Fly underwater. Push.
Hi. He is saying hi. Oh. Woo! I love to swim. I love to swim.